Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Ajeng Anisha Bella with an NPM of 27 from class A. Here I will explain the character of a little known hero that I present, namely Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. Sukarni Kartodiwirjo was born in Sumberdian village, Garum Blitar, East Java, on 14th of July 1916. He is the fourth of 9 children. His father's name is Kartodiwirjo and his mother's name is Supia. His father's job was as a trader at Garum Market. Sukarni attended the Mardisiswa School Blitar, which was founded by freedom fighters in 1930. He joined Indonesia Muda, which is a Partindo youth organization. After participating in Partindo cadre formation activities, Sukarni founded the Youth Association organization and made his house, which later became known as House Garum, its secretariat. Sukarni Kartodiwirjo was one of the young figures who took part in the arrest of Sukarno. The younger generation want Indonesia independence to be proclaimed immediately. Sukarno Kartodiwirjo died on the 7th of May 1971 and was buried at the Kalibata Heroes Cemetery, Jakarta. The reason why Sukarni Kartodiwirjo is not well known is because Sukarni was exiled to Bovendigul and then released after the Japanese occupation government released all political prisoners. This means that he does not have the opportunity to complete his education and recovery normally. The next factor is that Sukarni Kartodiwirjo is better known as an activist in the Indonesian independence struggle rather than as a widely known figure. Another factor is that the sources available about Sukarni Kartodiwirjo are limited, so there is not much information available to be widely known. My opinion, especially about historical figures, namely Sukarni Kartodiwirjo, are known as Sukarni was one of the figures of the Indonesian independence movement who played an important role in the resistance against Dutch colonialism in Central Java. However, there are several factors such as reduced exposure to mass media at the time or reduced historical focus. His exposure to his figures might have contributed to the relative poverty experienced by Sukarni Kartodiwirjo compared to other figures in Indonesian history. This all make us aware of the importance of reading more about our heroes so that we can increase our knowledge and we can find out that there are other heroic figures who also contribute to Indonesian independence. That's all my explanation. I more or less apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.